Hey, you guys. Hey, this is Glass of Beer. Hey, you guys, I want to explain something to you guys to maneuver money here in Thailand. Okay? And it's all liquidity. It's all free liquidity. Okay? Let me turn down maybe I'll music a little bit. It's all liquidity, you guys. Meaning, when I say liquidity, meaning you go from gold, cash, crypto, in that three circles. It's all liquidity. Now, a lot of you guys, especially if you're coming from America, there's not gold shops everywhere. You just end up getting jewed by a pawn shop. Okay, we don't want that. So, out here in Thailand, I'm fortunate that there's a gold shop on every block. I mean, they're quite frequent. They're ran the same. Okay, you know. And in Thailand, the Thais, some ties are unbankable. Some ties just don't trust the bank. And so what they do is when they get their currency, they take it to a gold shop, they buy bars, and and when the bars go up, they'll sell it. So this is how I keep busy, you know. All right. And it's keeping me quite busy, you guys. Look. Okay, you start off with cash. That's how everything starts off with is cash. So you need to so once you settle once you get to the point to where you settle your immediate business. Immediate business is, your rent, your food, your insurance, the basics, okay? Once you settle that and whatever's left over, then that's what you invest in, okay? So we kept that practice up for quite some time, but we're at a point now where it's quite different. You'll get to that point in your time and your journey. The point we got to in this journey was we could stay busy just by moving currency from the different markets. And then we take a little percentages out of each one. So say you start off, okay, I'll buy some United States dollars from the exchange. All right, simple. Okay, pick up about 5,000-6,000, right? Then you wait for the exchange to flip up, all right? So then it flips up to where before you was paying 30,000 baht per thousand. Now you'd be paying 35,000 baht. So you done made an extra, 50,000 baht, just like that, by holding it. And this stuff changes like every month or so, guys. So you take that extra 50,000 that you just made. Okay. Then you go buy some cryptocurrency with it. Exactly. Cryptocurrency has a higher rate of going up faster than gold does. All right. But in cryptocurrency, a lot of people don't know how to take profit. So they always screw up. So they'll see it 1 minute that, was this high and all this. And you didn't take no profit. You didn't sit in a it's kind of difficult too, you guys, when you're in cryptocurrency to take profit. A lot of people don't do that. A lot of people just let the profit go down and, or they'll set a stop loss, and the stop loss is always hit before they get hit. But anyway, back to the measure at hand. We're going to take this. Then once you take your profits out of crypto, then you go to the gold shop. Any gold shop will do, and you try to buy gold bars. You find out what the make is and what kind of bars you want, because you only use them. This is when you sit in wealth to the side for a rainy day. Not a rainy day, so to speak, but like dry seed. So when the market crashes, you can go in and buy it. You dig what I'm saying? So you can buy all your you buy all your losses. Okay? Yeah. So this is dry seed. This is like 5. This is like 5. This is 5,000. This if in dollars, this would be $5,000 right here. This bar. All right. This is a 5 baht bar of gold. Okay. So each baht is worth about $1,000. So this is 5 baht. So this is about $5,000. Okay. Now this is dry seed money. Okay. That means if Bitcoin dips, or I can buy the United States dollar cheaper than what I can normally get it. You know what I mean? That's what you use these chunks of bars for. You just go in, Just go into the gold shop like you seen in our early, video. Go into the gold shop and exchange. That's simple, you guys. Keep your visa up. Keep your mind sharp. Keep at it, man. All right, this is Blast a Bit 1, 2. Hey.